box, we throw my sister in. If we pick the wrong box, then it's my turn.
So right now I want to show you guys something really special. Brand new Huawei Mate 40 Pro 5G. This is the ultimate 5G performance king, the best videography. It has an edge-to-edge 88-degree horizon display, beautiful iconic design, 50 megapixel ultra vision camera. It has a 50 times super zoom. Check out the picture you can take. You can shoot ultra steady videos with the steady shot mode UI. There's even an AI tracking shot where you can select the tracking mode and keep your subject in the center of the video. There's even a dual video mode. You can capture the whole story from the front and the back camera. Even cooler, there's slow motion selfie. The Mate 40 Pro has a powerful sensor. You can use your hands and eyes to control the phone. Even when there is an incoming call, the device detects the user's attention and will turn down the volume of the ringtone. You can pick up a phone call or pause music by air press. Check it out. Did you see that, guys? You can even air scroll photos to move. Even air scroll left or right. When you put your eyes on the display, it'll show you a 3-second animated GIF. You can even customize your own always-on display. It has 4,400 milliampere battery, a 66-watt Huawei Supercharge, and a 50-watt wireless Huawei Supercharge. Huawei App Gallery is Huawei's official app store and one of the world's top 3 app stores. You can get access to millions of apps on the Petal search, and in the Huawei App Gallery download apps quickly and easily. Join the Huawei Live Mega Sale on the 25th to the 27th of November. You can pre-order the Huawei Mate 40 Pro 5G for 3,999 dirhams and get free gift worth 1,099 dirhams. Enjoy 50% off selected items, FreeBuds Pro, Watch GT2 Pro, and Sound X. There's discounts worth up to 90% on a variety of Huawei products. And buy the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro for 999 dirhams. Make sure to check out the links in my bio.